Hello folks, it's Mark with another tool review. This time I have a set of ratchet ring spanners, and as you can see they are Bluepoint spanners, and they are from 19 all the way down to 8mm, with the exception of a 9 and 11mm. So if anybody knows if there is one of 911mm, just put a comment in because I'd be interested just to complete the set. I bought these from eBay, and I wasn't really looking for them. I just put a bid in and no one else bid on them. I think it was the only bid, and basically I paid a fraction for what you buy them from Snap-on. For example, this 19 to 17mm spanner on Snap-on's website, that I think is £35, and then it goes all the way down to about £30 for this one. I think I spent about 1.5 times the value of that spanner, so for the price I'm happy with them. They have been used. You can see this slight wear on some of the spanners, but the ratcheting mechanisms are all perfect. All I've done is when I had them, I cleaned them, oiled them, and they're all working. As you can see, these are, I think it's 12-point heads. I haven't counted them, but they got the adjustment drive on the side, and they're quite nice ratchet mechanism. I don't think they're 70 odd to, I think about 840 odd, but they are, I believe from what's on the website, they are 75% offset heads, as you see there. I'll put one down, and that's the side profile of it. And basically they all got the same part number but different ends. For example, part number is STAOM75, and then it's 17 on 19, which reflects 17mm, 19mm. And if I pick this one, you can see it's focus STAOM75, 13 and 15, 13mm, 15mm, and so on. They're decent spanners. I've got a couple of set of ratchet spanners, so I don't know whether I'm going to keep these or I'm going to sell them. I haven't decided, or I may sell some of my other ones, because I've got a set of Bluepoint spanners, ratchet spanners, ring spanners. I haven't decided, don't even know whether I'll get around to using them. If I feel there's no use, again I'll sell them. If not, I'll just keep them. It's cost me nothing, so so that's my Bluepoint ratchet spanners. If you like it, please like it on the comments, or put any comments on, and I'll look forward to my next tool review. Okay, catch you again, bye.